For questions 6 through 9, you're going to be looking back at either both chapters 11 and 12 or what you've read so far in the novel. Question 6 asks, what does it mean that Jonas's life is no longer ordinary? So in chapters 11 and 12, we see Jonas's life changing. How is his life no longer ordinary or normal? There are lots of different possible answers for this. As long as your answer makes sense and is written in a complete sentence, it's correct. Question 7. Do you think Jonas is more or less happy than his classmates? Why? So let's think about Jonas's interactions with his friends and family during these chapters. How would you feel if you were in Jonas's position? Explain yourself. I would say think back specifically to Jonas's interaction with his mother and his interaction with Fiona. Those interactions should give you some good clues on how you can answer this question. Because this question asks, do you think, as long as you explain why you think what you do, you are correct and will receive full credit as long as your answer is a complete sentence. Questions 8 and 9 are a little tricky. Question 8 says, do you think Jonas's parents love one another? Why or why not? Give evidence from the text. So you need to answer whether or not Jonas's parents love each other and explain why using evidence and examples from the text. So, based on what you've read so far, do you think Jonas's parents love one another? Think about how Jonas's parents have interacted so far and use that as evidence. And if you can't think of much, that could definitely be a sign. Question 9. Do you think Jonas's parents love their children? Why or why not? Give evidence from the text. So, based on what you've read so far, do you think Jonas's parents love their children? Think about how Jonas's parents treat Jonas and Lily. Do they seem attached to Gabriel? Do Jonas's parents treat him like your family treats you? Is there anything that seems to be missing in their family? So when answering this question, be sure to explain why or why not, giving evidence from the text.